I'm not eating.
You're not even sitting. Okay. Okay. There's a game today. It's a game today.
There's a rat in here.
There is?
Yes,
Oh.
a mouse, I guess. Not rat.
No. Yeah.
You wanna drink that cola or you want some water?
I can drink that. Hi guys. So for today's you're so tall, Exit. You need to be higher, Maria.
I'm not tall, you're small. I'm gonna sit down anyway.
We're not sitting down.
I am having lunch.
This is a game lunch. What are you doing?
I'm eating.
You're not gonna sit down. This is not sitting down. Do not touch the food first. You need to like this. Oh, look at me. So,
I'm gonna put some ketchup on.
how did you know if you're the one who eat first?
I will win.
Okay.
Okay. At least I will put some ketchup on some of the pizza. I'm obviously gonna win most of the time.
He's being ready. You don't know if you can eat.
Let's
Okay.
see if it's good.
So, if you lose, you just run around there.
No.
Don't touch the food. Around here only. Around here. And then you do it again. It's just eating and exercise. I love your smile.
What kind of inviting me to lunch is this? I buy lunch today, she says.
I'm the one who buy that, so yeah.
Yeah. I never said I come with a torture.
Come on, ready?
This is going to be very painful for you because I will lap and do this. So, come on, I'm hungry. Why do I have to marry this girl, huh? My God. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten since yesterday. Huh. So, I'm gonna take a big piece then.
Put it down. I'm here. Put it down. I'm here. Only one session.
Second food. I'm back. Don't eating now. What? I make my own roll.
Wait na lang, ah. It's so sad looking at you. You're never gonna be win.
I found the solution, that's why she surrendered. Oh. What kind of lunch is this?
Wow.
These had 3 dinners.
This is me. They're bringing time. Look at them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you don't have to go there. They just deliver it for you. Good. And you can have this for your dinner.
Potato pizza.
Apple pizza?
Yeah, this is enough for them.
Why you look tired? Wait.
I worked from 6 o'clock this morning. Coming down for lunch and get greeted with this. My God.
As an ace, I forgive you. Because you always lose. So,
Don't forgive me for
I
losing.
don't think you need that. Because you always lose. You're almost crying.
I found a solution on it. I just bring it with me.
That's not how it's supposed to be.
It worked, didn't it? I got to sit down on it now.
Good.
So in the end, I won.
I'm just being a good wife.
Say that again.
Just being a good wife.
Lucky me.
Love you.
So, this is definitely more than enough
Yeah.
for dinner.
Big chicken today. You just put that in there.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah.
I have one more chicken and I'm good.
You wanna bring some
This-
pizza
this-
back?
No, we just have it for dinner. Just have a good, easy dinner.
At least save time and you don't have to go there.
I need to go to 7-Eleven at the moment.
Right?
It says here I have delivery from the chair that has the strength and leg.
Oh, shopping.
I am shopping. This is 1,500. I could get the plastic leg for free, but I opted to buy the stronger ones with some fat.
You can borrow me.
It's
So you don't have to go to
well,
11.
yeah.
I guess.
But I don't know because I haven't gotten any message yet.
Maybe they don't just message you. What is that, Shopee?
No, it's Lazada. I don't know where I am.
That's all I know where you live. Here. Now, Akilo. Today he's having water. You see that? After we turn on the camera, he gives the cola.
I don't think that cool. I just think it also.
Photographer?
What?